What if I tell you that your homes can have wooden finish ceiling that are extremely durable and totally maintenance free? Difficult to believe? Come with me. These are VOX Infratop ceilings that I usually use on my sites. What's so great about it? I will say everything. It's sturdy and zero hassle of maintenance. This is absolutely necessary when you are designing balconies and outdoor areas. And most important, the look and texture is exactly like wood without having the problems of wood like moisture damage, leakage, discoloring, bending, and so on. What's even more amazing is that these panels are super easy to install. The Vox Conics product is a modular ceiling system that revolutionizes the way panels are joined together and ensures uniform surface with no gaps and seamless assembly. Not only ceiling, Vox also specializes in luxurious flooring and facades. Their entire range is super cool for both the indoor and outdoor spaces of your home.